Hey guys, today I am going to be doing an unboxing video of my army bomb. I just came home today. It was on my bed and I'm so excited. It looks okay. So my friend bought her army bomb to work like last week I think, and I held it and I have my own now. So I'm happy about that. I ordered it on the 4th, I think. It was either the 3rd or the 4th. Today is the 10th. So I got here in about a week. And I was happy that they finally restocked them because the last time I tried to get one, I was broke. But yeah. So let's get this unboxing started. I have a box cutter thing that my brother got for me. And I'm gonna open it from this side because I want the mailing part to be intact. So, here it is, covered in bubble wrap for protection. I will pop this later. What's up? Official. Official. Yay! And it's got the BTS logo, BTS official light stick version 3, and they all have these numbers on it so that they know that it's official. And this sticker thing. I haven't had a fake one. I've never had an army bomb before, but yeah. I kind of want to take the sticker off, but I'm going to just cut it. Like surgery. So that I ruin the box. I don't think I'm doing this right. Box ruined. Just a little bit. I can see it. I can see it. Oh. Look at it. My baby! It smells good. It smells like new merchandise. I should have bought a cover. Oh wait, what is this? This is little bag. And it also comes with the wrist strap. It comes with photo cards. I forgot about that part. But anyway, the bomb. It's got beads in it. And you take the bottom part off to put the batteries in it. Yeah. 3 batteries. I've never seen something like this before. I thought it would come with batteries, but I guess not. Disappointment. and we're just gonna have to find some around the house. I was hoping to make this video pretty short. It comes with the QR code that you can scan so you can earn points in the Big Hit shop. So we have Kim Namjoon, Jin, my heart too, Jimin, B, Jungkook, Suga. I don't know. I'm gonna post better pictures of these so you guys can see them. But they're so beautiful. And then my baby. Okay, I'm gonna stop being dramatic. But I've never had like official merchandise before. Like, they have instructions in English. I saw the first page and it was in Korean, and I'm learning Korean, but I'm weak. So I'm gonna go and try to find some batteries in my house. Alright guys, so we are back in business. I found 2 in a pack in the drawer in the kitchen. And I stole one from the remote in the living room. Alright. Oops. Battery set. Let me put the thing on. So I didn't turn this thing on. Like, I didn't flip a switch. It just... Oh, okay. So yeah. On. Okay. And it's got modes. Blinking. Seizure. Ultimate seizure. Dreamy. Yeah. What is... I think this is the Bluetooth thing. It looks like a little hat. Like if this is a character. I should do that. Omnibone characters. Maybe I'll do like a speed drawing of that. And I also wanted to test out the Bluetooth app. So I have to download it. And I will come back after the download. So I downloaded the app. It's BTS Lightstick version 3. And I'm gonna try to connect my thing. It's on Bluetooth mode. That's why I turned blue. Yeah. Now I can change the color. Blue, pink, pinkish purple, green. Oh, it can even tell you like your battery level, and it may need to be changed. Cool. I'm happy with this. This is one less thing that I have to buy at the concert, so I'm gonna just wait in line. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Like and comment if you're going to any of the concerts for this Love Yourself, Speak Yourself tour. And if you're going to the one in New Jersey, hope to see you there. Okay, bye.